Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Lulu Rahmawati from Management Study Program with study ID number 2441001. Well, in this next opportunity, I would like to talk about a tax aspect in business activities. Tax aspects in activities and why the section plays a very important role in business environment. Tax is often seen as a burden by business. However, in reality, tax is a crucial element that support economic stability, public development, and fair business practice. Every business activity, whether small and large, is closely related to taxation. First, understanding tax in business activities. First, let's understand. Tax is monetary contribution imposed by the government on individuals and business entities. Based on law, without direct compensation, the funds collected from taxes are used to finance public service and national development. In business activities, tax becomes an affordable obligation from the moment a business is established, operates, and generates income. Tax responsibilities arise. Therefore, tax is not just legal requirement but also a part of business management. The role of tax in business operation. Tax plays several important roles in business activities. First, tax is secure for state revenue. The government relies heavily on tax income to build infrastructure, provide education, healthcare, and other public services and indirectly support business operation. Second, tax influence business discussion. Tax rates, incentives, and exemption often affect decisions related to investment, pricing, production, and expansion. Third, tax encourages formal business practice. Businesses that comply with tax regulation tend to operate more transparently and professionally. Types of taxes related to business activities. There are several types of tax commonly associated with business activities. One of them is income tax, which is imposed on business profit. The higher the profit, the higher the tax obligation. Another important tax is value-added tax, sales tax, which applies to the sale of goods and services. In this case, business act as tax collectors on behalf of government. Additionally, business may also be subject to withholding tax, property tax, and other sector-specific tax depending on the nature of their operations. Understanding the tax is essential for proper financial planning. Tax compliance and business responsibility. Tax compliance is major responsibility for business. This includes registers as taxpayer, calculating tax correctly, paying tax on time, and subtaining tax. Report as required by law. A failure to comply with tax obligation and can result in penalties, fines, or even legal sanction. This consequence can damage a company's financial condition and reputation. Therefore, tax compliance should be viewed not as being a burden but is business responsibility and ethical obligation. Tax planning business activities. To manage tax obligation actively, business often engage in tax planning. Tax planning refers to effort made by business minimize to liabilities legally, but utilizing in activities, education, and exemption provided by laws. It's important to design business the planning of tax efficient, but tax is legal and acceptable, while tax evasion involves illegal actions such as flashing data or hiding income. Good tax planning helps business improve cash flow and maintain financial stability without violating the same law. Tax in digital era. In digital era, taxation face new challenge. Digital business or e-commerce platforms and online service providers often operate across border, making tax collection more complex. Issues such as digital tax, online transaction monitoring, and cross-border taxation have been important topics in modern tax system. Governments around the world are working to adapt to tax regulation to ensure fairness between conventional and digital business. The impact of tax policy and business growth. Tax policies have a significant impact on business growth. High tax rates may reduce business profit and discourage investment, while fair and supportive tax policies can encourage entrepreneurship and economic expansion. Tax incentives, such as tax holidays or reduced rates for small and medium enterprises, are often used to stimulate business activities. This blends tax policy is essential for sustainable economic growth. In conclusion, the tax aspect is an integral for a business activist. Tax affect business operation, decision making, and ethical responsibility. Proper tax compliance and planning not only help business avoid legal problems but also contribute to national development. By understanding the tax aspect in business activities, business can operate more responsibly, transparently, and sustainably. Alright, so guys, that's all from me about tax aspect in business activities. I'm sorry I have a mistakes. I hope this presentation can be useful for all of us. Thank you for your kind attention. I'm Lulu Rahmawati from Management Study Program. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.